Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial and video. I hope everybody's doing great. So today I'm back to share with you another easy tutorial which is part of a pattern. You choose whichever project you want to do with it. It's the half double crochet corner to corner square. So in this pattern it's similar to the corner to corner granny square, but we're using half double crochet stitch, which is easier and faster to work. So no matter how big you want it, you start initially by making the width you like for your project, then you close it back to form the square. So we'll start right away. I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic and 6mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. I will chain 2. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet. So 2 half double crochet. I'm gonna chain 2, and I've got 2 stitches here. I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet in each stitch. I'm gonna chain 2, and I will make 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 half double crochet in the last stitch. Chain 2 again. In the first stitch, 2 half double crochet, one half double crochet in each stitch, in the last stitch 2 half double crochet. Chain 2. Same thing, 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in each stitch, in the last stitch 2 half double crochet. So for the increase we'll keep doing the same. Beginning of the row 2 half double crochet, end of the row 2 half double crochet to make the triangle wider. I will finish few more rows and I'll come back to show you how to make the decrease to form the square. So here is the last increase. I have done 9 rows so far, and now I'm going to show you how to decrease. So again, I'm going to chain 2, and from this row we're going to start the decrease in the beginning of the row and at the end of the row. So we're going to make 2 half the double crochet together, means yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull the yarn through and hold it. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through. I've got 5 loops on my hook, pull through all. So that's the first increase. half double crochet in every stitch, and then I will do the same in the last 2 stitches. Half double crochet together, 2 half double crochet together. Okay, and here are the 2 last stitches. The same thing, pull through, yarn over and insert into the last stitch, pull through all 5, chain 2, repeat the same decrease. And the last 2 stitches, a decrease again. We do the same for every row till I'm left with 2 stitches only, with 1 stitch only. And here I'm left with 2 more rows. I'm gonna chain 2 and turn. First decrease, second decrease, chain 2, and the last decrease. Pull through all and fasten off, and this is how you get the half double crochet corner to corner square for different projects. Very easy and quick to make. Like I said, you decide of the width of your project from the beginning while shaping the triangle. You'll find the written pattern linked in the description box, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.